They want you to be on the hook, and this is why subscriptions are so popular in paying a certain amount of money a month. So this strategy is really cloud over local hardware. So the trend is moving toward cloud-based computing solutions, similar to how people have adopted cloud-based services for music and TV, Spotify, Netflix, for example. So the rise of cloud gaming platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce now shows this move isn't limited to traditional productivity software. And everybody is in essence using this as a path to reoccurring revenue. In fact, even the editing software I use to edit this video and, Canva and all the other, folks out there, they offer you storage that's going to be, sold to you as a service. And obviously it costs them something because they're putting your storage on their physical systems that they have to maintain. But everybody is basically going for this reoccurring revenue where we're able to use whatever cloud service that they have on the back end of these things, which is going to make you pay more over time, which is the big, challenge. They want you to be on the hook. And this is why subscriptions are so popular in paying a certain amount of money a month. And it doesn't seem like a lot initially. It may be $10, $15, things like that. But it quickly adds up to hundreds of dollars, as I pay in my cloud services. I store terabytes of stuff, up there, and I understand why they're charging me that. But the reality is if I normalize these systems and, perhaps even move to an NAS box, things like that, I'll probably be paying less. And people are examining these options now, but the problem is it's just so confusing. Most people don't have access to consultants and tech support folks and things like that to help them through it. They just go ahead and pick the defaults. They go ahead and pay the fees. Typically, I'm sure in many cases, not necessary to upgrade or how much they've upgraded. And the tech providers are getting rich, based on the fact that they're forcing this movement of their local files, whether it's a device or computers, into their respective cloud services.